So we, as a unit or a seed or a divine expression created by this beautiful thing we call the creative God, we have been so constructed and placed into the field of consciousness that we have the right to choose. Each of us have the right to choose. And a thinking person will choose because their life, the way they live, belongs to them. And that becomes their living soul. And of course, the goal is to build that living conscious performance capability in harmony with the perfect pattern called the oversoul. And when we do that, we have what is called immortal life. We have the freedom in God's great kingdom. We have the freedom to the whole estate, which is a magnificent thing. We're not limited just on planet Earth. And we're not limited just in the physical phenomena. There are other bodies far more fantastic than the physical form.